And boom guys, that is how you can finally have PS1 emulator on your phone. Yo guys, what's going on? In this video I will show you how you can have PS1 emulator on your iOS and Android devices. So guys, you can finally go ahead and play all those old games. I'm playing literally for the last month every single day Trash Bandicoot, one game from 1998. But yeah guys, this right here is the screen recording of my phone. As you can see, I have PS1 emulator. So let me show you guys how it looks like. So it's any old games from the PS1 now you can go ahead and play, and it is really fun, honestly. So guys, as you can see, it's loading right now. It takes like a minute or two to load, but guys, once it loads you can go ahead and play it as much as you want. So guys, I'm really happy that I actually found this. It really reminds me of my childhood, and yeah guys, it is so fun to again play all these games. Okay guys, I won't bore you with the loading, it takes like forever to load, honestly. So yeah guys, let's start the video how you can have PS1 emulator on your iOS and Android devices. So guys, the first thing we need to do to get the PS1 emulator is to prepare a mobile device for the installation. So guys, if you're iOS, head over to the settings. If you're Android guys, you can skip guys to the last 30 seconds of this video where I explain where you can actually get PS1 emulator from. So guys, if you're iOS, simply head over to the general guys, then go to the background app refresh, and guys, in the background app refresh, just make sure guys that it is turned on for Wi-Fi and mobile data. Okay guys, now we need to do a couple more things. After that guys, head over to the battery settings, and in the battery settings guys, simply make sure that the low power mode is turned off. You'll notice when it's on, because the battery color will be yellow, just make sure it is off guys. Okay guys, now one more thing, the last thing we need to do below the battery settings guys is the App Store settings. So guys, all you got to do is to simply open up App Store settings and then to make sure that the automatic downloads is turned off guys. You will see guys when it is on, just make sure it is off. Yeah guys, and now we successfully prepare a mobile device for the installation in the PS1 emulator. But guys, here's the deal. I unfortunately can't show you the source where to get PS1 emulator because of the copyright issues. This video will be banned immediately. So what you have to do is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There will be the rest, the link to the rest of the video where I explain everything. It will be super quick guys, do not worry. So yeah, just go ahead and check it out. Leave a like guys if this method worked in the end, and yeah, bye bye.